Hey friends, this is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. Today we're going to talk about how starting your own business is the best way to beat the regular 9 to 5 grind. So let's dive in. One great way to break free from the 9 to 5 routine is by starting your own business. It allows you to pursue your passions, take control of your life, and become your boss. To embark on the journey of entrepreneurship, consider these steps. Develop a business plan. A crafted business plan is essential for aspiring entrepreneurs. Outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, competitive analysis, and financial projections in detail. By making decisions and presenting a plan, you can attract investors and make sound choices. By following these guidelines and staying true to your goals, you can steer clear of the 9 to 5 routine. Create a business that brings fulfillment and happiness. I wish you all the best as you embark on this journey. So, are you ready to turn your business dreams into reality? Our comprehensive course, Step-by-Step Guide to Starting Your Own Business, is designed to help you navigate the journey with confidence. Whether you are just brainstorming ideas or ready to launch, this guide provides practical insights and actionable steps for every stage of your entrepreneurial journey. Visit our website to learn more and start your adventure today. Your future business is just a click away. And of course, folks, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to you promptly. Thank you for being a part of our community.